Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about how to show product categories on a home page. You can see here, uh, this is the product category section on home page, and here is the product category carousel. You can see here, these are the products of this category, and this is the second category, third category, and fourth category. Okay. So now let's make dynamic this product category carousel. Okay. So for that, uh, first of all, let's create a new livewire component. So switch to the command prompt, and for creating the new livewire component, type here the command php artisan make colon livewire space directory name, which is admin forward slash component name. Let's say component name is admin home category component. Alright, now press enter. Component created. Now switch to the project, and let's create the route for this component. So let's go inside the routes directory, then open web.php, and inside the admin middleware route group, after this route, let's create a new route. So just write here route get, add here the URI admin forward slash home dash categories. Alright. Now add here the component class name, which is admin home category component. Okay. Then colon class, and also give the route name. So write here name, and let the route name is admin dot home categories. Alright. And now save this file. And now let's open the admin home category component class file. So for that, just go inside the app directory, then http livewire admin, and from here, let's open admin home category component.php file. Alright, and inside this file, let's add here the layout. So add here arrow sign, then layout, and inside this layout, add here the layout name. So first add here the directory layouts dot layout name, which is base. Alright, now save this file, and now open the admin home category component view file. So from the resources directory, just go inside the resources directory, views, livewire, admin, and from here just open admin dash home category component.blade.php file. Alright, and now inside this file, let's create a form. So first add here the container. So simply write here dot container. Okay, and also give some padding. So add here style padding, top and bottom 30 pixel, and left right 0 pixel. And inside the container, add the row, then column md12, and now add the panel dash default. Alright, and now add the panel heading, and add here the heading manage home categories. Alright, and now add here the panel body, and inside this panel body, let's create a form. So add here the form tag, then class, and write here the class name form dash horizontal, form dash horizontal. Alright, now add the div class is equal to form group. Okay, and then add here the label class for md4, and also control dash label, and add here the label use categories. Okay, and now add one more div class. Class is equal to goal md4. Okay, and inside this div, uh, let's create a select control. So add here select and class the class is sale underscore categories, and one more class form dash control and name. Add here the name categories. All right, add here the big bracket sign for the multiple selection, and also add here multiple is equal to multiple. Okay, now just close the select, and inside the select, let's add here the option and show all the categories, existing categories. So for that, first of all, inside the class file, inside the render method, let's fetch all categories. So create a variable categories is equal to add the model name category colon all right, and now pass these categories inside the view. So add here comma single quote categories, and also add here the big bracket, then right here categories arrow dollar categories. All right, and now inside this select control, add here the for each directory for each dollar categories as dollar category, and now add here option value is equal to double curly bracket dollar category arrow id, and inside this option just print here category name. So write here category arrow name, and now just close the option. Okay, all right, now add one input text field after this. So just copy this form group from here to here, and after this just paste here is the label number of products. All right, and remove this select control and add here input text field. So write here input type is equal to text, and class is equal to form dash control and input dash empty. All right, and now just close this. Okay, and one more thing, add here submit button. So just copy this and paste here, remove the label, and remove this input text field, and add here the button type is equal to button submit, and class btn primary, and add here the text save. All right, okay, now save this file, and now let's add the link for this component inside the admin menu. So just go inside the layout base layout file. So from the layouts directory, just open web.base.blade.php file, and inside this file let's find the admin menu. So let's scroll the page, and here you can see the admin menu. Okay, so after the manage home slider, this li, let's create one new li and add here the class menu dash item. Okay, and then create uh, anchor tag link. Okay, so add here the a tag title is equal to manage home category. All right, then href is equal to double curly bracket route, and inside this first copy this route name admin dot home category. Okay, so let's copy and paste here. Now close the anchor tag and add here the text manage home categories. All right, now save this file. Okay, now let's check this form. So first of all, run the application. So switch to the command prompt, and for running the application, just type the command php artisan serve. Right, now switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, now log in with admin credentials. So just click on login. All right, now add here the email ID admin@admin.com and password, and click on login. Okay, now inside the admin menu, you can see here the manage home categories link. So now just click on this link, and here you can see the form, choose categories, number of products. Okay, and this is a select control for multiple selection. All right, it's not looking good, so I'm just going to add here selected to. Okay, so for that, for adding the selected to, first of all just open the new tab and go to the URL select to.org. All right, now just click on installation, and from here just copy this CDN, this CSS CDN and JS CDN. Okay, so click on copy this link, and now switch to the project and go to the base.php file and go to the head section, and after this line just paste here, and now just cut this JS this script and paste after this script tag. Okay, all right, now save this file. And one more thing, after the live wire script directory, let's add one more directory @stack, and inside the stack just add here a text scripts. All right, now save this file. Now go to the admin home category component view file, and uh, after this div, let's add here @push, and inside the push just write here this name script. Okay, so just copy and paste here, and now close uh, this directory. So add here int push, and inside this directory add here the script tag, close the script tag. All right, now dollar document dot ready, this is the jQuery code function, and inside this add here the select class, this one select class name sale underscore category. So just copy and paste here with dot sign, then dot select to. All right. Okay, now save this file and let's check again and see the changes. So just refresh the page, and you can see here the select control now looking good. You can select uh, any option, multiple selection. All right. Okay, and now make this form dynamic. So first of all, let's create a model. So switch to the command prompt and creating the model. So just type here the command php artisan make colon model space model name home category. All right, and also create the migration. So just write here the same and now press enter. Okay, now switch to the project and just open the migration. So for that, go inside the database directory, database, then migration, and from here open create home categories table migration. Okay, this one. And inside the migration, let's add some column. So right here table arrow data type the string and column name. Let the column name is sale underscore category selected category. Okay, and one more column data type integer and column name number of products. All right, now copy this table name and go to the home category model. So inside the app directory http models, and from the model directory let's open home category.php and here let's add the table name protected dollar table is equal to this table name home underscore category. Okay, now save this file and now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt and for migrating the migration just type here the command php artisan migrate. Okay, migration complete. Now let's open the php myadmin. So switch to the browser and open new tab and just open the php myadmin and just open the database. Database is Laravel 8 ecommerce db, and now you can see here the table home categories. So click on browse. Okay, and inside this table let's create one row. So click on insert and inside the selected categories I'm just going to write here categories number category id. I'm just going to enter here the category ID separated with comma. Okay, so 1 2 this is the category ID and 3. Okay, and inside the number of products 8. Okay, and also give the date creation date. Okay, and now just click on go and you can see here the record. All right. Okay, now switch to the project and just close this file. Also close this. And now inside the admin home category component class file, let's create two property. So inside this file, first create the property public dollar selected underscore categories is equal to create a blank array. Okay, and another property which is dollar number of product. All right, and now let's bind this property with the form. So copy this property name and go to the view file, and inside the form first bind with the select control. So after this add here wire colon model is equal to, and paste here the property name selected underscore categories. Okay, and now copy this property name and bind with this input text field. So here simply write wire colon model is equal to this one. Okay, now save this. All right, and now inside this component class file, let's add here mount lifecycle hook method. So for that write here public function name mount, and inside this first of all let's fetch the category home category. So write here categories category model name home category, not home slider, home category. Okay, then find the first row. So add here the id 1. You can see here the id 1. Okay, and now let's close this, and after this add here dollar this arrow this property name selected underscore categories is equal to, and use here the explode function, and comma uh, comma is the separator here, and now add here category arrow column name which is sale underscore categories. All right, and now that this arrow number of product is equal to dollar category arrow number of products. All right, and now let's create the function for updating the record. So right here public function and function name update home category, and inside this function first fetch the record. So right here dollar category is equal to home category, and fetch the first record which id is 1. So right here find id 1. All right, and now our category arrow sale underscore categories is equal to, I'm just going to use here include method and separator comma, and now add here dollar this arrow this property name. All right, and for the number of category number underscore of category number of product is equal to number of products is equal to dollar this arrow this property name. All right, and now just call here the shape method category arrow shape. Okay, and also put a message inside the session. So right here session class add here the key message, and also add here the message home category has been updated successfully. All right. Okay, now just copy this function and inside the form, just call the on form submit. So inside this form, add here wire colon submit dot prevent is equal to function name update home category. All right. Now save this file and also display the success message. So before the form tag, add here the interactive if take the session for the message key. So simply write here session colon colon has message key, and now just close the end if, and inside this uh, simply print here a div class alert success alert dash success, and also add the rule alert. Okay, and inside this alert div, simply print here the message session colon colon get and pass the key message. All right. Now save this file. Okay, now it's done. And inside this select control, inside this div, let's add here wire ignore wire underscore ignore. Okay, the ignoring the wire live wire action. Okay, and now inside this script javascript code, add here the change event. So after this line, simply write here dollar dot select underscore categories on, and add the event change. Okay, now add the callback function, and inside this function, let's create a variable data is equal to dollar dot sale underscore categories dot select to, and inside this just pass here the val. Okay, now dollar this dot set, add here the property name, this one selected underscore categories. Okay, and add here the comma and just pass here the data. Okay, now save this file and now check this. So run the application php artisan serve, and now switch to the browser and let's refresh the page. And you can see here the number of products 8, and inside this you can see here three category has been selected. Okay, all right. Now let's make some changes. So I'm just going to change here number of products 6. Okay, and inside the category I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and now just click on save, and you can see here the home category has been updated. All right. and you can see here the 4 categories. Okay, and number of product 6. Now let's make dynamic the category carousel and home page. So just click on home link and now make dynamic this product categories carousel. Okay, so for that just go inside the home home component class file. So from the admin directory livewire admin, just open from the livewire directory, just open the home component.php file. Okay, and inside the render method, after this first fetch the category. So right here create a variable category is equal to home category colon find and fetch the record which id is 1. Right, now creates one more variable cats is equal to use the explode method which convert a string to array. Okay, and pass here the separator comma, and now category arrow cell underscore categories. All right, and then fetch the categories is equal to model name category column, and here I'm just going to use here where in, and add here the column id, and just pass here this cats array. Okay, cats $cat, and now call the get function. Okay, and also fetch the number of products is equal to category arrow number of products. All right, and now pass these categories and number of products inside this view. So inside the big bracket just add here comma, and now pass here the categories this one. So just copy and paste here, add here the arrow sign $categories. Okay, and also pass this number of products. So add here the comma, number of products, arrow $number of products. Okay, now save this file. Now open the home component view file. So from the resources directory, resources views livewire, and from here open home-component.blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file let's find the product category carousel. So let's just scroll the page. This is the latest product carousel, and here is the product category carousel. Okay, and you can see here this is the product tab. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth tab, and this is the tab content. Okay, this is the first tab content, this one second, third, and fourth. Okay, this is the four. These are the four uh, tab control of the category, and this is the category tab content. Okay, I'm just going to remove these 3 tab content from here, and also remove these. Okay, and now before this anchor tag, let's add here the for each directory for each, and simply write here $categories, add $category, and also add here the key $key like this. Okay, and now just cut this and paste inside this for each directory. Okay, now inside the href just add here the category underscore double curly bracket and simply print here category ID. Okay, so category arrow ID. Okay, and inside the class just remove this active and add here double curly bracket and check the condition dollar key is equal to, if key is equal to 0, then simply print here the active. Okay, otherwise colon blank. Okay, all right, and for the tab contents, uh, this is the first product. Okay, so before the first product add here dollar at rate php and just close here in php. Okay, and before this php tag, let's add here for each directive. Okay, for each, and now write here the categories as dollar key arrow uh, dollar category. All right, just cut this for each and just after this step. Okay, and inside this php directive, uh, let's fetch the product according to the category id. Okay, so simply write here dollar c underscore products, c products is equal to db colon table, and add here the table name products, where category id category underscore id comma just pass here category arrow id. All right, now just call here the get function. Okay, and after this get, let's use here the take method, and inside this take just write here this variable number of products. Okay, all right, now before this step, add here the for each directive for each. All right, now write here dollar c underscore products at dollar c product, c underscore product. Okay, and now just cut this in for each and paste after the step. Remove the space. All right, and now remove this title and add here dollar c underscore product arrow name. Okay, and now just copy this and paste here, and inside the price just paste here and change here the name regular underscore price. Okay, and for the image, remove this product image name and add here the forward slash and then curly bracket dollar c underscore product arrow image. Okay, and for image tag just remove this name and paste here dollar c C underscore product arrow name. And now remove this line. Okay, and for the link for the product details, add here double curly bracket route, and inside this route just add here the route name product dot detail. Okay, and now add the slug name slug arrow $C underscore product uh, product arrow slug. Okay, and now just copy this and paste here inside this href tag. Okay, now remove the all product div from here. From here to here. Let's move from here to here and just delete. And this is the last delete also. Okay. Alright, this is for the product cancel tab, and this is the tab content. Okay, and here now just copy this and remove this active and paste here. And from this for each, just remove this key. There is no need here. Okay, and now save this file, and it's done. So let's check this. Okay, one more thing. Add here the ID. Okay, so just copy this and paste here. Okay, this is the tab content ID and this is the tab ID. Okay. All right. Now it's done. So save this file and let's check. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Okay. Only showing the last and not showing the label here. So inside the this tab. Okay, just remove this and add here the double curly bracket dollar category arrow name category arrow name, and products is not showing here. Let's check this. So inside the home component.blade.php file, this is the tab contains. Okay, here is the mistake. Just cut this for each directive and paste before this div. Okay, after this tab contains. All right, and now save this and let's check again. So switch to the browser and now refresh the page. It's still not working. Okay, it's showing the first category. Hmm, what is the problem? So let's check again. So okay, add here the key. Okay, because here I'm just going to use here the key. Okay, so dollar key arrow this. Now save this and let's check again. So refresh the page. Alright, and this time it's working. You can see here the first category and their product. Alright, second categories not showing. Inside the forage directive, this is the forage and close it. Okay. Here is the mistake. For this forage, just close after this div. Okay, note here. So just cut this and after this div, just paste here. Alright, and now let's save this and let's check again. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, now this time it's working. You can see here the first category and their products, second category and products, and this is the third and this is the fourth category. Okay, all right. Now let's add one more category here. So let's go inside the admin menu and click on manage home categories, and here let's add one more category. I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and number of records 8, and now just click on save. Category updated. Now click on home link, and inside the product category section you can see here there are 5 category. Okay, and you can see here the product inside this category. Okay, all right. So in this way you can show products category on home page. So that's all about showing products categories on home page. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.